Hello everyone, I'm Qian Yao, a master's student in Soil and Water Science Department. The topic that I choose for this course project is about the applications of activated carbon on urban runoff purifying in best management practices. The reason why I care about the urban runoff is basically following this flowchart. As urban develops rapidly, more and more natural spongy soil have been replaced by impervious constructions. And every time after rain events, the runoff would flow into urban water bodies carrying all kinds of pollutants like nutrients, heavy metals, pathogens, you name it, and eventually degrades both surface and groundwater quality in urban areas. Luckily, the government has already implemented kinds of best management practice to at least try to solve these problems, such like as you can see here, trenches, infiltration basins, spongy pavements. They are pretty common in our daily life, huh? You may not pay much attention to them, but they are meant to preventing or reducing the pollution generated by non-point sources in urban areas. And the soil, sediments, and surface layers here are acting as stormwater filters. In many cases, activated carbon can be one initial part of biofilter comprising of the filter media. From class, we have had a grasp of the origins we used activated carbon as purifying material and its unique features like high degree of porosity and extended surface area would be super beneficial to the filter role activated carbon plays. Here, I would like to divide its purifying function into two aspects. From physical perspective, activated carbon can be absorptive filter. The contaminants would be attracted to and held on to the surface of the carbon. And from chemical perspective, the carbon can react with contaminants due to the affinity depending on the charge differences between contaminants and carbon surface. In class, we discuss a lot about adding activated carbon at different stages in wastewater treatment processes. I would say the applications of activated carbon on how it treats wastewater is the final step of water before it comes to our daily life. So I am kind of wondering how well it will work if we use activated carbon to remediate pollution from where the pollutants enter water body. So the questions that I raised and would like to dig deeper are from three aspects: the application scope and popularity, the purifying efficiency, and the pros and cons of activated carbon applications. From what I got so far, a very preliminary result, I would say we have already used activated carbon as soil amendments widely, especially combining activated carbon with other materials to form biofilter in the engineering of tree boxes, rain gardens, wells, and other practice that I introduced to you on the previous slide. And for the purifying efficiency, again, this is a very preliminary data summary. It has a higher removal efficiency on nitrogen compared to phosphorus, and there would be an efficiency higher on heavy metal removing as well, probably because of the surface and chemical features of different pollutants. I listed I listed several pros and cons here, but I will not go into in detail right now. But in my paper, I think I will compare it thoroughly to evaluate the applications of activated carbon for urban runoff purifying. Thanks for listening.